I have created a YouTube video about blogging. Give me 5 different title ideas. And as you see, it gives us 5 different title ideas within a matter of seconds. Hey there YouTube creators, in today's video we are going to use ChatGPT to write video titles. And we will also talk about, is ChatGPT really helpful for small channels to get more views? So as you know, AI is becoming a part of our lives more and more every day, and this also applies for content creation. Using AI can be really beneficial in different points, such as it can speed up, for example, the content creation process. That's why it's good for you to learn how to use AI in the right way while creating videos. And if you are new here, my name is Cem. In this channel, we talk a lot about content creation, especially for creators on YouTube. So if you are interested, then consider subscribing. So ChatGPT is today's one of the most used AI tools. If you haven't used it yet, you can sign up with your email from openai.com and then you will have access to this screen. ChatGPT can be very helpful with many different things, and one of them is for writing video titles. It can generate interesting title ideas based on the input you give. If you can write titles that create some curiosity and also resonates with your audience, then you will have a more likely chance to get more clicks and more views on your videos. So let's say that your video is about blogging and you want to create a title for your video by using ChatGPT. You can type here, for example, I have created a YouTube video about blogging. Give me 5 different title ideas. And as you see, it gives us 5 different title ideas within a matter of seconds. Let's say that we choose using the title number 5, Blogging 101, the complete starter's guide to building a successful blog. But as you see, the title is quite a bit long, so we can say that use the 5th title and shorten it to maximum, let's say 65 characters, so it will be easily readable by users on YouTube. And now it shortened the title. If you are not happy with these options, you can say give me another 5 title ideas, and it creates us another 5 different titles that we can use for the video. Now what we see here is that the titles written look very unique. Of course you can also make some changes on these titles, but ChatGPT creates these titles within a matter of seconds, which will really speed up the process. But here is another important thing we need to talk about. Is it going to be really helpful for small channels that struggling with getting more views? Using AI generated titles directly in their videos, will that really help them to get more views and to grow their channel? For small channels, there is something else I would like to suggest before using ChatGPT. So if you have a small channel, using directly AI generated titles may not be that helpful. It may not bring the amount of views that you expect. If you want to grow your channel and if you have a small YouTube channel, one great way to grow a YouTube channel is making searchable videos. But to get traffic from search results, you need to rank your videos as high as possible so your videos can get discoverability. And to rank high on search results, you need to include the right keywords in your video titles and in your description. It will be even better if you can speak these keywords in your videos. So that's why if you can do some keyword research before making ChatGPT to write some titles for you, then you might get a better result. And there are 2 keyword tools that you can use. The first one is TubeBuddy and VidIQ. They are both great tools for doing keyword research, and for this video I will use VidIQ to show you how to make a keyword research. So VidIQ is a tool for YouTube optimization to help getting more views, especially with keyword research, but there are also other features that can help you, such as, for example, VidIQ gives daily ideas that you can use for your videos. It also helps with SEO optimization. It also gives competitor analysis that you can compare your channel with other channels on your same niche. And they also started to integrate AI on VidIQ to help you with different things, but I haven't tried it yet. So this is the current pricing level for VidIQ. You can install it and start using it completely for free. You don't have to buy it at the beginning. I am using the Pro version because I need here the keyword research tool, which is very important for growing the channel. If you decide to buy it later, you can use my affiliate link that you'll find in the description part of this video. So let's continue with an example keyword research, how we're gonna do it with VidIQ. So our example video was about blogging. So I'm going to use the keyword blogging. And let's see what VidIQ gives us. Now, here on the left panel, we see that for this search term, it gives us a score. For small YouTube channels, this score is very, very important because they will get the chance to rank high on YouTube depending on these competition and search volumes here. So you should aim, if you have a small channel, you should definitely aim to get a higher number as possible to rank your videos high on YouTube search if you want to make searchable videos. Search volume means how many people are searching for this term, and competition means how many videos there are already made about this topic. If there are so many videos made about this topic, then the competition will be higher and it will be more difficult to rank. That's why you should look for lower competition as possible. Here on the right side, we have our related keywords, matching terms, and questions. So let's say that we go to the matching terms. So here, VidIQ gives us many different keywords with different kinds of scores. Let's say that your video covers how to start blogging for beginners in the year 2023. And when we look at the results here, we see that this term, blogging 2023, has a much higher score, which means that if you include these terms in your title, or if you include them together, then you'll probably get a better chance to rank your video high on search results. That's why we can copy these keywords, and now we can say, create me a title including these keywords. You paste it here, and now let's see what it gives us. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT created a title that includes all of these keywords that I gave here: how to start blogging for beginners 2023, and again, blogging. So what I am trying to say here is that if you directly use one of these titles here, that should be fine, but you might find difficulties to rank it high on search results. However, if you use also VidIQ together with ChatGPT and you do your keyword research, then you find the right keywords that you will have a higher chance to rank them on search results, and then you come back to ChatGPT, you give these keywords to ChatGPT, and then it will create you a much better title that will also give you a chance to rank it high on search results. So this can be a better way to create a title using VidIQ and ChatGPT together. Another way you can do is that if you decide to buy VidIQ, you can directly come to the questions tab. The questions tab shows you the already asked questions that you can directly use as a title. Then you don't need to use the help of ChatGPT. Then you can come here, you can look for the questions that people are asking, and you can directly use this question as your video title. But if you don't care that much about search results and maybe you find these titles here kind of boring, then as I showed you, you can create here more interesting titles and more unique titles for your videos. So using AI tools like ChatGPT will improve, speed up, and maybe even automate your content creation process. As creators, the more we focus on automation, I believe the better will be for us and also the better for our channels. We will talk more about AI and automation in my upcoming videos. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please hit the like button, and see you guys in the next video.